Hello friends, I am Dr. Sadeep. In my channel, I will be uploading videos concerning practical application of homeopathic principle and how to practice homeopathy in a classical way. So I have done already many videos on these subjects, friends. If you are interested, please come to my channel and see those all videos. So if you are interested in these type of subjects, please like, share and subscribe our channel. So today's subject is, friends, cellular intelligence, genetic coding and dynamic effect of our homeopathic medicines. So cellular intelligence is one of the subject wherein every doctor is involved in to research on this subject. Till now, we have researched that cellular intelligence is one of the very basic thing in the human evolution and in the environment. So let it be any cell, it is very intelligent to produce its own type of cell. So cellular intelligence is being understood by these three characteristics. One is maintaining itself in any condition it is coming across and communicating with the environment to adapt itself. Thirdly, producing its own type of cell by fission. So this meiosis and mitosis you have studied in biology. So that is one of the important function of the cell. This all represents the cellular intelligence. So in homeopathy also, our medicines are dynamic in nature and capable of stimulating the cell, a healthy cell and a diseased cell in the development of homeosis. That is, whenever there is an equilibrium in the cell becomes healthy. Whenever there is a equilibrium disturbance, the cell becomes diseased. So this is one of the important concept of cellular intelligence. So this cellular intelligence is being applied by our master 200 years ago, and he has not seen with any microscope or with any of the instruments, but he has studied this cellular intelligence by applying the dynamic medicines of homeopathy, which are very much helpful in bringing the diseased cell into a healthy state. That is, disturbed homeosis to a normal homeosis, that is equilibrium in the cell. Once the cell becomes equilibrium in itself, then its functions are carried out with a full energy. So this was being demonstrated by Hahnemann in his researches. So this cellular intelligence and genetic coding is one of the important topic one homeopath should understand. So this genetic coding or DNA RNA material is made up of protein, everybody knows that. So this DNA and RNA, these are the two proteins which are basic of a cell. So if you want to do anything with a cell, you must have a stimulation to this DNA and RNA. So this DNA and RNA are the two important proteins wherein this cellular intelligence is controlled, and it has done the normal functioning of a cell by this DNA and RNA. So we have an access by our dynamic medicines to turn the unequilibrium or homeostasis cell, which is not homeostasis, can be done into a normal state. That is, homeostasis of a cell can be maintained by our homeopathic medicines. So this is also in other way, we are capable of altering the DNA and RNA to upbring the healthy state of a human being. So this is one of the important factor all homeopathy should know. And another thing, our medicines are dynamic in nature. Due to that reason, every cell which is exposed to the environment to a invisible energies, that is to say electrification energies, that is 2G, 3G, 4G, 5G, has a response of its own. Due to that reason, in today's condition, we have an access to treat any adverse effect created by the electrification of earth or the electrification of the environment. The 5G, whatever the adverse effect are being created by 5G, can be taken care by homeopaths. I am not in favor of 5G, but we have already invented, that is to say, our Dr. Hahnemann, master of homeopathy, he had a vision to have a medicines which are dynamic in nature and which can influence the unseen energies, that is to say, which are invisible energy affecting the cells and changing the cell environment. So if you come across few of our medicines, that is imponderabilia. So these are the medicines wherein Dr. Hahnemann has researched and he has given to us to use those medicines. So this imponderabilia are the medicines which are now useful simply because the electrification of the earth is happening, increasing day by day. Due to this reason, the cell intelligence is failing to adapt itself due to the major exposures to these invisible forces. So this is the important thing one homeopathy should understand, that cellular intelligence and genetic coding and our medicines having a dynamical nature which can affect this cellular intelligence, genetic coding to make the human being more healthy. So this is all I wanted to talk with you, friends. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe our channel. If you have any doubts, please put in the comment section. I will try to answer those questions. And one more request is, friends, please send these videos to a homeopathic graduate, homeopathic doctors and homeopathic medicos. This is all today, friends. Thank you. Take care.